This is it. The world's lightest AI and AR glasses have arrived. Today, we're unboxing the Rokid Glasses and showing you exactly how to go from zero to the future. Let's check it out. Hey everybody, what's up? BTM here. Now today I have something that you're going to love. The Rokid AR glasses. Now I've been waiting for these glasses for 3 months now, and they finally arrived. So I'm so excited to share them with you. So first off, let's talk about what comes inside the box. Inside the box, you're going to get the Rokid glasses themselves, a very nice triangular case that will no doubt protect the glasses. You're going to get an extra set of nose clips to make that nose nice and comfy. You're going to get a Rokid cleaning cloth that's going to keep your lenses clean, a safety guide, and a user manual. You also have the charging cable as well. So let's look at the tech. On the front, we have the camera and status indicator that glows white when you're using the camera, so don't block it. Looking through the lenses, you'll see the dedicated display area. On the right temple, we have the primary function button, and along both arms, you got speakers and a touchpad on the side for easy navigation. So charging. First, let's use them up. You connect a magnetic cable to the charging contact on the glasses and plug the other end to a USB power source. The light will breathe green while charging and turn solid green when it's at 100%, like you see here. Whilst charging, scan the QR code in your manual to download your Rokid app. Open it, register account, and log in. Since this is your first time, the device entered the pair mode automatically. Just follow the instructions inside the app to finish the connection. Before you head out, a few pro tips for longevity. First, do not bend the temple arms excessively. You don't want to damage those waveguide lenses. Second, keep them dry. These glasses are not waterproof. Now that's all you set up. You're probably wondering, what's it actually like to live with these every day? From the AI voice assistant to real world navigation, I spent a week testing every feature to see how these perform in real world. Why don't you check out that video right there?